Welcome to Rise and Shine Daily Business Tech Boost with me, Charly Leetham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and break them down into bite-sized tips you can use right away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Hey, good morning everyone, it's Charly, and I'm actually going to be going through something that seems to trip a lot of people up. When you are trying to log into your Gmail account using one of your devices and using one of not the native Gmail app, but using the Mail app or one of those similar apps. So maybe it's Outlook, maybe it's the Mail app, but it's not the Gmail app that you can download and put on your phone. You need to actually create a very special password so that you can access that account. The way Gmail works is it protects your account password that you use to log in to get to your Gmail account, and then says, okay, so if you want to use something else to log in on your behalf, you need to create what we call an app password. It's a way of protecting your account so that if something goes wrong and you lose your phone or you lose your device, you can just go in and delete that password and stop people having access to your account. The other thing that does is it stops your account password being entered into too many different places. So what I want to do here is show you how to create that app password. Now you'll see I'm in the Gmail sign-in account. What I'm actually going to do is go to account.google.com. We're going to do this through the account interface. Okay, so to do this from here, we're going to click on the Go to Google account. We're going to log in. So I'm going to use I probably will end up buzzing this out, work out the word there. And I'm going to enter my password. I think that's my password. Okay, so now this is telling me that I have signed into my Google account, and I can do a number of things here. But all I'm going to do is say not now, and it's going to send me straight to my Google account. Now that I'm in my Google account, what you need to do is go to this security tab here on the left-hand side. And I scroll down. No, hang on. Okay, so instead of trying to find it and clicking on the security tab and trying to go through all of this stuff, much easier, come up here to the search bar. Yeah, I paused my video while I was looking, and just in the search bar, type app password. And once you come to app password, you'll see down here we've got app passwords. Click on that. Now, I don't have any app passwords set for my Gmail account at this point, so I'm going to create one, and I'm just going to say demo video password, or just demo video, just so I know what it is. Now, you need to give this something that means something to you, so that when you need to go and delete it, and you should regularly go through and review your passwords and such, and your app passwords, and delete them if you don't need them. So I'm going to put demo video. I'm going to say create. Now, I'm going to blur this out, but this is your app password that comes up here. It's 4 quartets. So there are four lots of 4 characters, and you copy it and say copy. Now, once you've copied it and you say done on this screen, you are not going to be able to see this password again. So you do need to save this password off into and sorry, when I say save this password off, just paste it somewhere while you are setting up your application so you don't lose it. So I am just going to use Windows sticky notes here, and I'm going to say paste. So it's pasted in, and I'm going to go back to my screen and say done. Now you'll see under app passwords, I've got demo video, and it tells me that it was created at 12:30. When this goes to tomorrow, it'll say it was created yesterday or created on the 30th of August, which is when I'm recording this video. Now that you have that app password, you can then go and use that password when you are setting up your Gmail account on your Apple device or whatever software it is. I'm going to do a video on that next, just so you can see how to use it and how to do it. But that is the gist of it. And this is the first thing that you need to do to be able to access your Gmail account from anything else but the Google Mail or the Gmail app that comes on your phone. Hope that makes some sense. I will see you all again in the next video, but please, if you've got any questions at all, leave comments, send me a DM, come across to my locals community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com, join the conversation there, ask for some assistance. You can start up a chat on my website if you want. We've even got a WhatsApp channel for the business, which is our phone number, the company phone number, which is on our website. What else do we have? There's any number of ways of getting in touch with me. Also, if you find these videos really helpful, please remember to like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you find out when I put out more content like this. And of course, I've got my daily pieces of information, hints and tips going out 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time each and every day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools, and resources, visit www.askcharlyleetham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together.